Alright guys, so it's currently Wednesday, June 12th, 2024, and I am starting the week pretty late, and that's because I did have a midterm yesterday to study for, and I was also working while studying, so that took up a lot of my time, but I'm glad it is over, and I'm just praying that I pass, so yeah. I'm just going to be going through the list to see if there's any more opportunities for the week, and yeah, hopefully something good comes up. So it's currently 5:17 p.m. and after looking at the charts, I don't see any opportunities to trade. And it honestly sucks because had I looked earlier, there would have been I think 2 opportunities for the week, and I missed them. You know what? It is what it is. Like I said, I was busy working and studying. I'm not in any rush to enter a trade, although I do feel like I want to enter a trade a little bit. But that's a good way to lose money, so I'm just gonna sit on my hands for now. There's still Thursday and Friday, so there could be opportunities that form, but I highly doubt it. Maybe I'll look on the 15-minute time frame for a day trade. So yeah, that'll be it for now. Alright guys, so it's currently June 13th, 2024. It's a Thursday, and I ended up taking a short position on AUD CAD. It was 0.1 lot size, and my whole reasoning behind it was that there is an order block here, and a fair value gap, as well as an area of liquidity. So that's my draw on liquidity, and usually I'd wait for price to retrace into the 0.75 on a fib, and that's when I would take the reversal for a buy. Now, in the meantime, I was thinking that I might as well just, if I'm thinking that price can hit this area, which is the entry for a buy, I might as well go and take the short side, right? Which is what I ended up doing. Because usually the strategy is I'd wait for a sweep of liquidity, a break of structure, and then a retracement to 0.75 to continue higher. But price is still making its way down to the 0.75, so I decided to short. And yeah, here's my stop loss, my entry, and my take profit. The RR is like 1.06. It's not the best, but I'm still trying this out because I don't usually take the short side in terms of the whole strategy. I just wanted to test it out to see if it works. So yeah, let's just see how this trade plays out. When it does, I'll get back to you guys. Alright guys, so it's currently June 16th, 2024, and I'm just going to be going over 2 trades, one on GBP USD and the other one on AUD CAD. So moving on to GBP USD, the reason why I took this trade is because of the sweep of liquidity here, the break of structure, and then a retracement into the 0.75. I had a limit order set here for a buy, but unfortunately it just went straight to my stop loss, and that resulted in a $43.10 USD loss. Honestly, that really sucks. So moving forward, what I'd like to do with this strategy, I want to go with the trend. So basically I'd set my buy limit at the 0.75, right? Because I believe price is going to draw to that area, and that's where I would take my entry to buy, in this scenario at least. So instead of setting a buy limit here, moving forward I'd like to take a short position and use the 0.75 as my take profit area, along with other confluences below it or above it, such as fair value gaps and order blocks and just areas of liquidity, right? So yeah. Alright, so on AUD CAD, I ended up taking the short side to the 0.75. So basically my entry was here, and I decided that price is going to hit the 0.75 on the fib. So yeah, that's the reason why I took this short position, and I ended up breaking my rules. And it honestly sucks because I took the $43 loss, and this was already in profit, $15, so I decided to just cut it there because it was a Friday and I didn't want to hold this trade over the weekend because anything can happen. And my original TP was like around this area. So it was very close, right? Had I just sat on my hands, I would have... Actually, it didn't even hit my take profit yet, but I'd still be in more profit, right? Which would have mitigated the other loss. But because I broke my rules, I was undisciplined. It resulted in not a great outcome. Let's just say that. And it really sucks. It really sucks. Sometimes I feel like I'm moving backwards. And it's not a good feeling at all. So for the next week, I'm definitely gonna try just sitting on my hands, letting the trades play out. And another thing that I did do better in the past was not looking at my brokerage. I think that's definitely one of the key things to staying disciplined, at least for me, because of the P&L, which I get addicted to looking at, and it's not a good thing. So yeah, I mean, on this trade we only made $15.10 USD, but the loss was greater, so we're still negative. Alright, that'll be all for today's video. I just wanted to thank you guys so much for 200 subscribers. The growth has been phenomenal this past month. As always, for those of you guys who are on the same journey, good luck to you all. And yeah, peace.